What's up, DCV fam? I just wanted to make a quick video to let you guys know I will be in Dallas at the Money Shift at Extreme Raceway Park. My whole crew is coming out there with me. So my car, the whole crew, we all gonna be in the VIP section. We got a special little promotion so that we can get to 5,000 subscribers tomorrow. So I got some stickers, of course, I'll be giving out. The promotion that we have going on tomorrow to get to 5,000 subscribers is I will have a list for people that have subscribed and for people that are subscribing tomorrow to get them. The list will have a spot to put your name, your phone number, and whatever social media you're on. You got a YouTube channel, Instagram, Facebook, whatever. But the point is, we got to get to 5,000 subscribers tomorrow. We're only 1,500 away. So I'm excited about that. I'm excited about the channel. We'll have a Lambo out there tomorrow. She's gonna be all cleaned up. But what's gonna happen is, once we hit 5,000 subscribers, I'm gonna pick 3 of my subscribers and take y'all for a ride in a Lambo. That's gonna be pretty cool. So I just wanna let y'all know I appreciate y'all support. I appreciate all the comments. Everybody let me know how they love the channel. Like I said, we just getting started. I think we it's only been 6 months. But the channel's growing. We having fun with it. I wish I could let everybody take a ride in it, but probably only gonna have time for 3. I'll be watching my phone. This is the event. Like I say, it's at Extreme Raceway Park. That's tomorrow. Gates open at 3 o'clock. That's 3 p.m. The event is all night. We ain't got no time to shut it down. If we race all night, we're gonna race all night. I'm excited about the event tomorrow. I hope to see y'all there. Y'all come out there, come holler at me. I'll be at the VIP booth with the Lambo. We're gonna have my son's car out there, the EcoBoost Cobra, and all the other fellas that's in the crew. They're gonna have their cars out there. But like I say, man, y'all make sure y'all subscribe. Get by there to get on that list so that I can make sure you're already subscribed to the channel. I'm gonna check all this and make sure everything's fair with nobody trying to cheat. But as soon as we hit 5,000 subscribers, I'm calling 3 people on their cell phones and we're gonna take a ride in the Lambo. So I see y'all tomorrow and y'all have a blessed one.